I am adding sugar to the tea. I am adding sugar to the tea. I withdraw money from the ATM. I withdraw money from the ATM. I am chopping the vegetables now. I am chopping the vegetables now.
I am washing the vegetables in the sink. I am washing the vegetables in the sink.
I take a shower every morning. I take a shower every morning.
I clean the refrigerator shelf. I clean the refrigerator shelf. I am cleaning the kitchen shelf. I am cleaning the kitchen shelf.
I peel the garlic before chopping it. I peel the garlic before chopping it.
I am peeling the potatoes carefully. I am peeling the potatoes carefully. I am frying the eggs for breakfast. I am frying the eggs for breakfast. I heat the oil in the pan. I heat the oil in the pan. I am mixing flour and water. I am mixing flour and water. I am cutting the onions carefully. I am cutting the onions carefully.
I take a spoon from the drawer. I take a spoon from the drawer.
I am making coffee for myself. Ooh. I am making coffee for myself. I check the rice while it cooks. I check the rice while it cooks. I open the refrigerator to get milk. I open the refrigerator to get milk. I wash my hands before cooking. I wash my hands before cooking. I keep the vegetables in the fridge. Yeah? I keep the vegetables in the fridge. I wash the tomatoes before cutting them. I wash the tomatoes before cutting them. I am cleaning the chopping board. I am cleaning the chopping board. I put the plates on the table. I put the plates on the table. I am slicing the fish carefully. I am slicing the fish carefully. I wash my plate after eating. I wash my plate after eating. I am labeling the food containers. I am labeling the food containers.
I taste the soup before serving. I taste the soup before serving. I clean the knife after cutting vegetables. I clean the knife after cutting vegetables.
I am grating the cheese for pasta. I am grating the cheese for pasta.
I add salt to the soup. I add salt to the soup. I boil water for tea. I boil water for tea.
I am opening a bottle of juice. I am opening a bottle of juice.
I open a can of beans. I open a can of beans. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.